Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna talk what happened if you change your upper O2 sensor and Infiniti G35 Nissan 350Z and for some reason the code pops up. You change everything. So my car, I've been changed all the sensors and for some reason the code keep showing up and keep like too much problems. I don't know what's going on there. So I realized what code keep coming to my car. So it keep coming to driver side sensor. So if you have a vacuum leak or you have anything like leaking, it gotta cause this problem. So I gotta show you what's the issue on my case, and if you have the same problem, you have upper O2 sensor problem, I gotta show you what's the issue exactly. Stay with me guys. Okay guys, so my car I've been changed. I put blind alarm, I put cold intake, I put back my cold intake back to his car to see if the car's gonna be run better. Yeah, run better again. But the issue is I have always this sides here of driver sides, the upper O2 sensor, they keep pops up. I put a new sensor, put Bosch one, the high quality one, and for some reason the lights keeps up coming back. I check the fuse, I check everything in the car, but the lights they comes up. So why I found out guys, look up here on this side, I have, let me put flashlights. So on this side of the oil cap, okay, you have the valve cover gasket leaking. Okay, what I'm saying before, if you have a vacuum leak or anything leak, gonna cause this problem. So what's the issue now? We'll have to change the valve cover gasket, then we'll reset the code and drive the car, and we should be the light go away. So this is the issue I have in my case. So I have to change that. I have to torque the whole thing with the right torque with that, and this was gonna be easy job guys. This, if you have an issue, make sure you have no valve cover gasket leaking. If you have a valve cover gasket leaking guys, make sure you change the gasket and tight everything rightly, and the car should be drive better. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks.